Do you hear distorted sounds from your gaming headset, or is the headset's microphone not working properly? Well, it sounds like you need a brand new gaming headset. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Up Trends. Today we will go over 7 best wireless gaming headsets going into 2022. The list contains various options that are suitable for different types of gamers. Whether you're looking for an affordable headset or something that suits your aesthetic, we've got you covered. For more information about these products, I've listed all the links in the description box below, so you can check them out. Before we proceed, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to help us beat the YouTube algorithm. Let's get started. First up is the Corsair Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE, also known as the best in appearance. The black-colored headset offers a modern, stylish, and professional design that will make you feel like a winner while you're wearing it. The dynamic RGB lighting is also available in this headset, with the option to customize its colors to match your preferred style and aesthetic. Furthermore, the headset isn't only about looks. The Corsair Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE provides plenty of features to elevate your gaming experience. It has an uncompromising sound quality. This gaming headset offers a frequency range of 20Hz to 40,000 Hz, double that of the other gaming headsets. Also, it has a 7.1 surround sound that will immerse you more into gaming as you hear realistic sound effects from the headset. The gaming headset's battery life isn't an issue either. Thanks to the high-capacity lithium-ion battery, you can use it for up to 20 hours. Meaning if you own a streaming channel, you can go live for hours without having to worry about your headset. However, this headset can be a bit on the pricey side. If you're looking for something more affordable, the next gaming headset on this list might be a perfect match for you. Next on the list is the Razer Opus X Wireless, an affordable gaming headset option for those on a budget. It is available in 3 shades: Mercury, Green, and Quartz. Despite its affordability, this headset offers decent features such as active noise cancellation technology for gamers, meaning you get to focus on playing since you can only hear the game sound effects and the voice of your teammates if any. If you're worried about its battery life, don't. This gaming headset has a long battery life of up to 30 hours. It also has controls located at the side of the headset, such as volume up or down buttons and a built-in microphone for communicating with your teammates. Additionally, this gaming headset features a custom-tuned 40mm driver that allows you to enjoy the deep and clear bass. If you're a person who loves high-quality bass and looking for an affordable option, this headset can be the perfect pair for gaming stuff. Do you play games on your Xbox? If you frequently play your Xbox, then maybe this gaming headset is the right fit for you. This headset offers a minimalist design, perfect for gamers who want something simple. It is also on the more affordable side, which is excellent for gamers who are on a budget. One exciting feature for this headset is the ability to connect with 2 devices at once. For example, you can connect it to your console and phone simultaneously. This feature is especially great for live streaming, since you can do voice calls on Discord while hearing sounds from the game you play. Also, this headset can connect to smartphones with Bluetooth, which is convenient for mobile gaming. Another positive thing about this gaming headset is its design. The Xbox wireless headset values comfort as it offers an adjustable headband that elevates the gaming experience. It is also lightweight, perfect for extended playing sessions or live streams. The next item is the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless headset, without a doubt the best in battery life. With this gaming headset, you'll never find yourself scrambling for a recharge, since it has over 30 hours of battery life. You get to enjoy over a day's worth of gaming without having to worry about a recharge, which is also perfect for live streaming. As for its appearance and design, this headset is a combination of black and red colors. Its headband consists of a durable and flexible aluminum frame, perfect for all head sizes. Also, the earpods have memory foam, which gives you a more comfortable gaming experience. That's not all. The HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless offers a fast connection of 2.4 GHz of seamless audio. Its 53mm drivers allow you to listen to your game's clear, epic, and impactful sound effects with precision. The headset also has a virtual 7.1 surround sound that you can toggle on for a more expanded sense of space and improved audio quality. Are you looking for a headset that will provide you with the most comfortable gaming experience? If so, the Razer Black Shark V2 Pro might be a perfect fit for you. Its ultra-soft memory foam ear cushions reduce the clamping force of the headset. The ear cushions are also breathable, meaning this gaming headset minimizes sweat and heat buildup due to skin contact with its breathable weave in the ear cushion. As for its features, the Razer Black Shark V2 Pro offers a lightweight design at only 320 grams. It also comes with a detachable microphone that delivers high-quality speech pickup by rejecting noises from the sides and back. and an open microphone design that minimizes obstruction. Plus, the Razer Synapse 3 support is available if you want to access the advanced microphone settings. On-headset controls such as volume up and down are also present, and you can find them around the ear cushions. Furthermore, the Razer Black Shark V2 Pro headset has everything you need for esports gaming. It boasts of a high-speed transmission of 2.4 GHz wireless connection, which ensures that the sound will always stay synced to the device. Also, its titanium 50mm drivers would allow you to hear clear and powerful sounds from the headset, perfect for any game. If you prefer a gaming headset with superb microphone quality, the EPOS H3 Hybrid would be the perfect pick. This gaming headset does not only offer one microphone, but two microphones. One microphone is the removable boom arm that provides a clear and crisp chatting experience. However, if you want to play on the go, you can use the secondary microphone in the ear cup. Removing the boom arm also gives your gaming headset a portable and clean look. Another great feature of this gaming headset is the audio mixing. You can connect the headset to two devices simultaneously, allowing you to play games while chatting with your friend on the Discord chat. Also, it is possible to set the volume of each device separately. For the console audio, you can change the volume by adjusting the volume wheel on the headset. As for chats, you can adjust the volume through the smartphone device. Its design offers a comfortable gaming experience as well. The headband has a lightweight adjustable fit that is suitable for any head size. Furthermore, the EPOS H3 Hybrid is compatible with various devices such as PC, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, Mac, PS4, PS5, and more. And finally, the best overall gaming headset on this list is the Sennheiser GSP 370. This gaming headset provides various features worthy of the best spot, including long-lasting battery life, surround customization, and comfortable design. The Sennheiser GSP 370's design consists of a noise-canceling microphone. This feature lets you mute the microphone quickly by lifting the boom arm. It also has an infinity volume wheel that you can adjust seamlessly on the ear cup. Additionally, the headset has a closed-back acoustic design that gives excellent noise isolation, perfect for fully immersing yourself in the game. Furthermore, the Sennheiser GSP 370 has a low-latency connection that provides a reliable audio transmission without delay. This feature is ideal, especially if you play responsive games a lot. And what about comfort? The Sennheiser GSP 370 provides a comfortable gaming experience as well. The ball joint hinge angles the ear cushions to fit any face shape. Also, the ear cushions have memory foam on them, resulting in high-quality comfort to the wearer. So that's the 7 best wireless gaming headsets we found going into 2022. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it has helped you decide which gaming headset is best for you. Make sure to comment below which one was your favorite. Check out this next video. I bet you'll also enjoy this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.